Welcome to New River Gorge National Park and Preserve in West Virginia. We're only a couple steps in, but we already have a pretty cool view of the bridge. This trail is about 0.6 miles total. Just made it to the end of the trail. Check out that view of the bridge. Drove about 2 miles from the visitor center to the trailhead of the Long Point Trail. This is about 3 miles round trip, and we are supposed to get a pretty epic view of the bridge at the end. It was about a 7-hour drive from New Jersey to New River Gorge National Park, so we are very happy to be out of the car and hiking.
So here we are on the Long Point Trail. Roughly a 1.5 out and then another 1.5 back. So 3 miles round trip.
Gary, you can do math.
I don't know why she took a shot at me. That was not nice. Anyway, we're slowly descending lazily into the forest, as the All Trails description would read.
To go. Babe, do you feel like you're lazily descending into the forest?
A little bit.
Best trail description ever.
Got to be as lazy getting out.
This trail is ranked as moderate, but the sign by the trailhead said the last 0.2 is a little bit steep. But we're very excited to see the views at the end. Can we just talk about the size of this leaf? Crazy.
So in case you don't know, New River Gorge is the newest national park. I think it was named in 2020, I think it was. Was it 19 or 20?
I think 20.
So, but this view.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh my gosh, awesome view.
This is pretty cool.
There's so many of them. It's hard to even see the bridge on the GoPro. We just climbed down a little bit further onto a rock to get a better view of the bridge. It's really hard to see on the GoPro, but in person it looks pretty epic. I'll get a video on my phone so you guys can see it better.
And you didn't die. It's huge.
We are here in the middle of October and a little early for peak fall colors, but we still got a little bit of fall foliage around us and it is very pretty. Bridge. We're driving down this really cool road that takes you underneath the bridge, and I just jumped out of the Jeep to get this cool shot. This is mind-blowing. Here's a pretty awesome view from the other side of the bridge. Endless wall trail in the pouring rain. Here we go. This is so much fun. We love hiking in the pouring rain. It's still raining. We are trekking along. This trail was actually ranked #1 on all trails, so even though it's raining, we still wanted to check this trail out. It's supposed to be about 2.3 miles. Still trekking along. I think we're headed to the Diamond Point Overlook. It seemed like there are two ways to do this trail. You could head out to the Diamond Point Overlook and then hike back, or you could keep going past the Diamond Point Overlook and then walk back on the street. So we're kind of playing it by ear right now.
See, we got perfect weather to hike the Endless Walls Trail. These cliffs are amazing. It really is about 1,000 feet down behind us. So I'm hoping Michelle doesn't push me off the edge. And honestly, we're probably about 2 weeks away from peak foliage, but it is absolutely beautiful.
Yep.
The only thing is you can't see the bridge right from here. It's more that way. So we're going to make our way that way after we go to Diamond Point, which is that way. But we'll be along for the ride.
Even though it's not peak fall foliage, we definitely still have a lot of colors around us. So it looks pretty cool. We made it to the Diamond Point Overlook. The rain is not helping the view, but wow. Still pretty cool. Greetings from the Diamond Point Overlook. Perfect weather today.
Soggy, wet, slippery, and honestly, when I tell you we're probably 6 inches away from the
my heel is on the edge of the cliff right now, so we're doing good. It's a little hard to see on the GoPro, but the river is right below us, and it's a pretty awesome view.
Like a little cliff walking.
Wow.
What do you think?
It's pretty awesome. Living life on the edge.
Above the clouds. Oh, or in the clouds.
It's hard to see on the GoPro, but we can see the New River Gorge Bridge from here. I'll try to get a video on the phone so you can see it better. And there is the bridge.
Yes, there is about 1,000-foot drop behind her.
But Gary's not freaking out, so I think he's gotten better at this whole thing.
I've come a long way. Long way. It is beautiful. So is the bridge.
So we just climbed up a little bit to get back to the trailhead and the bridge is gone.
We're about to get eaten by the fog monster.
We're about to get eaten by the fog because the fog just ate the bridge. It is officially pouring right now. We are getting drenched. I have an umbrella up just to keep the GoPro dry, but we are still getting soaked. It is coming down pretty hard. Go for a hike, they said. It'll be fun, they said. We made it! Took us about an hour and a half, but we stopped to take a lot of pictures and videos. It is still pouring. Time to figure out what we're gonna do next. So we were going to head back to the New River Gorge Bridge to do the bridge walk, where you can actually walk on the catwalk underneath the bridge. But as you can see, the weather is not cooperating today, so we'll have to do that when we come back. Thank you guys for tagging along. We will see you guys on the next adventure.